How to check how long you've been subscribed to someone on YouTube. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can check how long you've been subscribed to someone on YouTube. For this, you want to open Google Chrome and sign into your Google account. Now, click on the profile icon. From this menu, click on Manage Your Google Account option. Then, over here from the left-hand side menu, click on Data and Privacy. Now you want to scroll down, then click on YouTube History. On the next page, scroll down and click on the Manage History option. Once you click on this, you want to click on the Interactions option from the left-hand side menu. Now scroll down a bit and here you have Channel Subscriptions option. Go ahead and click on this. Now you will be able to find all of your subscriptions here. If you want to know how long you've been subscribed to someone, simply click on any one of that. As soon as you click on this box, you have the details option. Here you can easily find the date when you subscribe to that YouTube channel. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.